everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keyboard lagging. iPhone keyboard lagging after iOS 18.1 update. After updating my iPhone to iOS 18.1, I noticed something unexpected. The keyboard started lagging. Typing out text or notes felt slow and unresponsive, which was frustrating, especially when typing longer sentences. The keyboard would freeze up entirely. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First step is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up. So slide to power off and wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is remove and re-add keyboards. For this, go to settings. Next, go to general option, scroll down and choose keyboard. Tap on it. Then tap on keyboards at the top. Here you can see different keyboards. Tap left on each keyboard to remove it. After removing, then tap add new keyboards to re-add the ones you need. And then tap done at the top. You are done. And the next step is switch to Dvorak and then back to QWERTY. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then scroll down and choose keyboard. Tap on it. Then tap on keyboards at the top. Select your current keyboard. Then choose Dvorak as a layout. And then after a few seconds, switch back to QWERTY. When I tried this, the keyboard responsiveness noticeably improved. So it's worth a shot. And you are done. And the next step is disable predictive text. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general. Next, scroll down and go to keyboard. Here you will see the option of predictive text. Tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. Next step is reset keyboard dictionary. If the lag persists, try resetting the keyboard dictionary. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer reset iPhone. Then choose reset and choose reset keyboard dictionary. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset keyboard dictionary on your iPhone and you are done. And also you should free up some space to improve your keyboard. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode or you can use a Face ID and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset all your settings and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone keyboard lagging after iOS 18.1 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.